Right, here we go. Week 6 of spellings. Number 1, Reign of Terror. Sounds like something from a Marvel film. Many of the Romantic poets were horrified by the bloodshed of the Reign of Terror. Number 2, Didactic. Didactic. Blake's poem is didactic, unlike Shelley's. And number 3, with the same definition, didactically. Didactically. Number 4, Georgian. Blake represents Georgian London as bleak and repressive. Many of our most beautiful towns and villages in England were built during the Georgian era. Number 5, Prelapsarian. The Songs of Innocence portray a prelapsarian world. And number 6, Postlapsarian. The Songs of Experience present a postlapsarian world. Number 7, Repressive. Even the River Thames is charted in Blake's repressive London. Number 8, Counterpart. London does not have a counterpart in Songs of Innocence. Nine, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. The mind-forged manacles are an allusion to Jean-Jacques Rousseau's social contract. Number 10, Autonomy. There is no autonomy for the people of Blake's London. People in Leicester at the minute don't have much autonomy. Peterloo Massacre. Shelley was horrified by the Peterloo Massacre. Previous week's revision. Number 12, Ephemeral. Ephemeral. Shelley's sonnet highlights how human power is ephemeral. Number 13, Malignant. The personification of the mountain makes it seem malignant and threatening. Number 14, Hubris. The Duke's hubris is presented throughout the monologue. Other characters we could accuse of hubris: Macbeth, Arthur Burling, Ozymandias. Number 15, Marginalise. Marginalise. The prostitute, chimney sweep and soldiers are marginalised members of society. Eva Smith and working class women were marginalised members of society. Number 16, Egalitarian. Blake's London is not the egalitarian society he desired it to be. The society in An Inspector Calls is not egalitarian. The likes of Arthur Burling hold all the power. Number 17, Spontaneous. This is not a place of spontaneous creativity, but of rigidity and oppression. Spontaneous. Number 18, Conformist. Shelley rejects the conformist views of many. Conformist. Number 19, Romanticism. Shelley, Blake and Wordsworth initially embraced the... Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. Romanticism was prevalent throughout Europe and at its height between 1800 and 1850. And finally, Disenchantment. Blake's disenchantment with societal oppression is portrayed throughout the poem. Disenchantment. That's it. Send me your answers. See you in September, August. Have a great summer.